Welcome to this comprehensive review of Spreadshirt, where we'll go over everything you need to know about using the platform for your dropshipping business. Spreadshirt allows you to create and sell custom-designed products, from t-shirts to mugs and bags, through their print-on-demand service. The platform is designed for both beginners and experienced sellers, providing an easy-to-use interface for creating, marketing, and selling your products. One of the main advantages of Spreadshirt is that it handles the production and shipping of your custom items, meaning you never need to worry about inventory or logistics. Simply upload your designs, choose which products you want to sell, and Spreadshirt takes care of the rest. They offer a range of customization options, allowing you to adjust your designs to fit various product types and create a unique shopping experience for your customers. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. The platform also offers a variety of marketing tools to help you promote your products, including integration with social media and access to an affiliate program. However, it's important to note that the profit margins on Spreadshirt can be lower than other platforms, due to their fees for printing, shipping, and hosting. So you'll need to carefully consider your pricing strategy to ensure you're making a decent profit. Spreadshirt offers a wide range of products, including shirts, hoodies, accessories, and even home decor. The customization options are diverse, with features that allow you to upload your own designs, use Spreadshirt's design tools, and even collaborate with other artists. The site is straightforward to navigate, making it easy to set up your online store and start selling in no time. If you're interested in starting your own dropshipping business or expanding your product range, Spreadshirt provides a solid platform with various tools to help you grow your online store. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for more updates and tips on the world of dropshipping.